Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make a very unique recipe of egg idli. Guys, it's very simple to make and it tastes absolutely delicious. You can make it for breakfast or as a light snack. So without any further delay, let's learn how to make the egg idlis. So guys, to make this amazing unique recipe of egg idli, we are of course going to need a idli stand, and then we are going to need a little bit of melted butter, and I'm definitely going to recommend that you use butter instead of oil because it helps to remove the idlis once cooked from the stand very easily. And as you can now see, I'm simply greasing the cavities of the idli stand with this melted butter. And once we are done with that, then let's add an egg into the cavity of the stand. Now guys, you can break the egg directly into the stand and add it, or you can break it into a bowl and then add it. Guys, I would definitely recommend that you break it into a separate bowl and then add it so it does not overflow from the cavities of this idli stand. And now we are simply going to add the rest of the eggs into the cavities of the stand. And once we are done with that, then it's time for us to take about 1 tablespoon of very finely chopped onions and add it to all 4 of these eggs. And now it's turn for us to add the tomatoes. So guys, I finely chopped the tomatoes and added about 1 tablespoon of tomatoes in all 4 of the eggs. So 1 tablespoon for all 4. And then let's add a little bit of fresh dhania, which is fresh coriander leaves, in all of the cavities of this stand along with the onions and tomatoes. And once we are done with the dhania, then it's time for us to add some masala. So let's add a pinch of black pepper powder in each of the eggs, followed by some salt to taste. So I'm just going to add about a pinch of salt in each of these eggs. And then we are going to add some chili flakes. So again, a pinch of chili flakes goes in all of these eggs. Now guys, you can always adjust the quantity of the chili flakes as per your liking. And once we are done with this, then it's time for us to steam our eggs. So here I've already kept some water for boiling in my idli cooker, and now we are going to place our idli stand right in there and cover it up and cook it on a low to medium flame for the next 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and looks like our egg idlis are ready. The way we can check if they are ready or not is by piercing a toothpick or a knife in the center, and if nothing sticks on the toothpick, that means that the eggs are ready. If they are a little yolky, if they are not cooked, then you can always cover it up and again cook it for the next 1 or 2 more minutes. And because these eggs are ready, I've removed them out and have kept them to cool down for the next 5 to 10 minutes. They need to come down to room temperature. And once the eggs are at room temperature, let's take a knife and let's remove the edges of the egg. And then let's use a spoon to scoop it out. You can see how easily they are coming out. That is all thanks to applying the butter in here. So guys, you have to wait for the egg idlis to cool down completely. If you try to remove them while they are hot, then they are going to stick to the idli stand and won't come out easily. And once we have the idlis in a plate, you can either eat it as it is because they are going to taste amazing, or you can take it a step further by taking about half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder in a bowl, followed by half teaspoon of dhania jeera powder, which is coriander cumin powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and very little salt because we have already put salt in the eggs. And now we are going to add about 2 teaspoon of water in here and give it a good mix. Once the masalas are nicely mixed in, then let's take the eggs and let's apply this masala on top of the eggs. And once we've applied this masala on the top of the eggs, then it's time for us to fry them. So in a frying pan, let's add about 1.5 tablespoon of oil and make sure that the oil is greasing all of the pan. And once the oil is nice and hot, then turn the flame on low and then land the egg idlis top side at the bottom. So the masala side of the eggs need to be facing bottom. And then we are going to take that masala and apply it on the top side as well. And once we have all 4 egg idlis covered with this masala top and bottom, then let's cook it for about 45 to 50 seconds. And then it's time for us to flip the egg idlis and cook it for again 45 to 50 seconds. Not much longer, otherwise the eggs will become quite chewy. So it's time for us to now remove our eggs into the plate. Oh my god, they're looking absolutely delicious, guys. They're going to taste really amazing. Let's just sprinkle some fresh green onion leaves and dive right into it. I'm telling you guys, you're going to absolutely love this way of making eggs. Do try it. Do let me know what you think about this recipe. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. And I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye-bye.